Hey, maybe you have an off-the-shelf software solution for your business that's just not cutting it, or you found limitations within the software that are hampering your growth. In either case, you're thinking, maybe I need some sort of custom solution to solve my problems. If so, stick around. I've got some thoughts to share with you. Markus here from Custom Software Lab. We've actually built hundreds of custom solutions for clients all over the globe, and I'd like to present some specific signs that tell you it's time to consider custom software. So here we go. Let's dive in. Number one, your current software has limitations, or it just does not meet specifications. Now, this is one of the most common reasons why people contact us. They're using an off-the-shelf application, or they're considering buying a new application that just does not have all of the functionality that they're looking for. There's either some new tool or new functionality that needs to be implemented, or the software just cannot easily cope with the increasing workloads that are being put on it. So definitely a major factor for custom software. Number two in line is business process or application requirements change. Now, as you know, business processes evolve and change. Your customer base or your product mix changes, you find more efficient ways to get things done, or you see a way to cut a whole set of steps with automation. In these situations, you're essentially looking to streamline your current processes. And oftentimes you won't know exactly how to do this with your existing software, and a custom application is necessary. Makes sense, right? Number three, integration with current systems. And you know exactly what I'm talking about if you're watching this video. Sometimes redundancies emerge simply because the current software that's being used doesn't play nicely with other key applications. When you're entering the same information into multiple applications or accessing multiple applications to put together a report, it's time for a custom integration solution. And those things will drive you crazy, right? Because they're just wasting time when you could simplify all of that. Okay, number four, better reporting and analytics. Now, raw data is nice, but actionable information is what you need to grow your business. A good custom software development company would find ways to simplify reporting and offer better information for decision making. As you know, data is just so valuable, but if you cannot use it, then it's kind of like, why do we have all of this? And so custom software can help cull that data into something usable and actionable. Number five, own your investment in application software. This is a big one. Why pay monthly or annual licenses, costly annual monthly fees for off-the-shelf software? When you get a custom application built by Custom Software Lab, you own all the rights to the software. The IP is yours to keep forever. We're basically a hired hand that are creating this software custom just for you. After you have the software, you can hire a developer to make changes or upgrades as needed, and are even able to sell the software to other companies should you desire. And we've got a lot of clients that do this. The software is at a point where it's just something that they can sell one-off to other companies in their industry or similar industries, and they're actually making money off of the sale of the software that they originally paid us to develop, which they, by the way, completely own. Okay, number six, outdated technologies. This is an obvious one, and so as software ages, it becomes more difficult to find someone with the skills to support it. We still run into code written in COBOL or optimized for RPG. This is one of those situations where it's time to bite the bullet and upgrade to current environments. Outdated web applications can also be an issue since they don't always work well with current web browsers, resulting in a loss of functionality. And we get this all the time. Folks have antiquated systems where they just need somebody to come in and rebuild everything. And we do a tremendous job with that. Number seven, you need a competitive edge. This is one of our favorite reasons. We love working with companies who want to use custom software development to gain an edge on their competitors. They're looking for ways to increase overall efficiency or create better experiences for their customers. And this is definitely where we really shine, because we're bringing this awesome functionality and killer design, culminating in a solution that works extremely well for you and gives you that competitive edge. And lastly, number 8, ease of use issues. Sometimes current software has the functionality and the speed that a business requires, but it's just too confusing and hard to use. And if you're watching this video, you probably also know what I'm talking about. In these cases, the solution is to have a developer create a better user experience that is tailored to the business's unique needs. We get this one all the time as well. Folks just say, man, it's just hard to use the software. So we create something that just visually looks and runs better. It's easier to use. We remove the clutter. So those are our 8 signs that it may be time for you to consider a custom software solution. Now, I didn't speak too much on this, but we also assist with ongoing security and support for every custom software solution that we build. So we're with you from the beginning and even after the project is completed. Now, you may be only interested in making some modifications to your existing system and you're unsure of how to do that. We actually assist with this as well. If we can help in any way here, please reach out to us with the contact information in the description below. Again, custom software is one of the things we offer, but we also take off-the-shelf software and we can make modifications as needed or connect with an API so that data can be shared. So it's not always just a complete rip and replace. Sometimes we can work with what you have. Be sure to check out some of our latest work, including web applications and mobile apps directly on our website at www.customsoftwarelab.com. Again, it's Markus with Custom Software Lab, and we look forward to working with you.